How to manage safe browsing on Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage safe browsing on Chrome mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Chrome and then click these 3 points here in the top corner, and now you will see this one, settings. Click on it and then go down and you will find this one, privacy and security. Click on it and then you will find this one here, safe browsing. Click on it and here you can manage anything you want, like select this one or standard protection or no protection, and as you see then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.